Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Chevron. The report was first published on our website Tuesday, May 17, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Chevron? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the Chevron stock with a 7.718 score, and our system has ranked Chevron by candidates since May 13, 2022. In this period the stock has had a gain of 3.67%. This is an average return of 1.22% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Chevron, our last headline reads, Chevron Corporation stock price ended on $174.03 on Tuesday after gaining 0.59%. The Chevron Corporation stock price gained 0.59% on the last trading day, Tuesday, May 17, 2022, rising from $173.01 to $174.03. And has now gained 7 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day the stock fluctuated 1.76% from a day low at $172.61 to a day high of $175.65. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 7.1% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by minus 463,000 shares and in total, 13 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.23 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $175.65, and the lowest price was $92.86. Right now the price is 0.92%, or $1.62, below 52-week high at $175.65, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 11.15% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 3.06% and 15.67%. The 12-month trend indicates a 67.9% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 45.14% and 79.14%. This equals a price between $252.58 and $311.76 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Chevron stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Chevron stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Chevron. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Chevron Corporation stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $166.12 and $165.32. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, April 27, 2022, and so far it has risen 11.39%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. The stock had a golden star signal on Thursday, May 12, 2022 in the short-term chart. Golden star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 160 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 155 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Chevron. Chevron Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $170.82, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $3.04 between high and low, or 1.76%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.91%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Chevron. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Chevron currently has a price-earning ratio of 32.29. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Chevron finds first level of support at $170.82, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Chevron is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by INCHAUSTI David A. whom have bought and sold 9,915 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -39.456. In total, the insiders bought 615,911 and sold 1,436,160 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $167.43, minus 3.79%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 14 days ago. Is Chevron stock a buy? Chevron Corporation holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Wednesday 18th, we expect Chevron to open up $0.0667 and start trading at $174.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stands the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.